Hi, I'm Kathleen, and I'm going to give you an introduction to the 3 different styles of touch with Polarity Therapy. The first style of touch is the Sophic Polarity or Sophic touch, which is a light touch. It is not indenting the muscle tissue at all. When you become very, very sensitive to feeling, you might actually feel the body begin to push you off, and then your hand will still be in contact with them energetically, and you will be making physical changes, but your hand could be off the body and still affect the physical body. The second style of touch is a little deeper. You are indenting the muscle tissue, and as you are indenting, you're creating stimulation. So I'm going in a little deeper and I'm rocking that tissue. Now, even though my hand is on the gluteal muscles, I am working with the energy. So as you see, my other hand is on the opposite shoulder, which in polarity therapy is referred to as a cross current, which basically means there's an electrical charge or connection between the hip and the shoulder. If I open up that current first, it will allow the muscle tissue in the glute or the muscle tissue in the shoulder to release. So the tissue in the glute has released to a certain extent, and now I want to take a little time and work with the tissue in the shoulder. This upper hand is going a little more into what's known as tamasic touch, which means I'm going in slow and as deep as her body will let me. Now both my hands are feeling and listening. I'm touching the tissue, and as I'm touching the tissue, I'm waiting for physiological changes, which basically means the muscle's hard, then I'm feeling that the muscle is soft. So that is an example of tamasic touch. As you are working with somebody in polarity therapy, you are using a combination of these 3 different styles of touch in conjunction with the polarity map. Every part of the body carries a negative, neutral, and positive current of energy. My hand is a positive charge, my other hand is a negative charge. So I will place my hands according to the map, and I will create a neutral current, which then will create balance.